Is your Mazda CX-9 struggling to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, most connectivity issues are actually caused by simple cable faults or minor software glitches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by testing a certified cable, then clear your Bluetooth pairings before checking for system updates. Hardware damage to the USB port or restricted screen time settings on your iPhone are frequent, overlooked culprits. If basic steps fail, try cleaning the USB ports or checking the relevant infotainment fuse for power issues. Try the simple software resets at home, but leave hardware replacements or deep firmware flashes to the dealership. As you can see, the vast majority of cases are resolved by simply replacing the connection cable. Always test a different phone to isolate if the issue is with your device or the car's hardware. Keep a basic toolkit ready, including a high-quality cable and contact cleaner for those deeper port issues. Remember, software is the brain, but the cable is the lifeline that keeps your connection stable. If these steps fail to restore your connection, it is time to visit a professional technician for a deeper look.